Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show up, you want to select power off. And when the device turns off, which is indicated by the vibration, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. And immediately once you see the INFINIX logo, let go of the power button. There we go. Now keep holding volume up, and in a moment this should take us to this page right over here, XOS, with no command written under it. So to get past this page, we're gonna start holding power button, and while holding it, press volume up once, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode. In here, you wanna scroll down using your volume buttons, and you can either select reboot to bootloader or enter Fastboot mode. Once it's selected, then confirm it with the power button, and you can see we are now in the dedicated Fastboot mode. Now the other one, the bootloader right here, just to test it out, because I'm not 100% sure, but I am pretty confident that this is also Fastboot mode. So I am going to select it, just so we can also see, because this would possibly be a second way to access Fastboot mode, and it is, as you can see right here. Though on the previous one, you could navigate the same way you did in the recovery mode with volume buttons and power button. Here, you just need to hold power button till the device turns off. There we go. And it will automatically boot back up and bring us back to Android. And as you can see, here we are. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.